Guys, I will show you in this video how to fix Zoom sound problem easy and quick. So you just need to watch and follow this video till the end. So guys, first just open the settings of your phone, click on your apps option and search for Zoom and click. So here right now just scroll this list down, click storage, click clear cache and back. Click right now at force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update Zoom, restart here your device, and that's it. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you next tutorial.